Girl, what are you doing? Eating a chicken and dumpling? No. That's not a dumpling. This is a dumpling. I'll show you how to make it. So the only thing you need when you make dumplings is Bisquick. This is going to be your friend. So easy. It's on the back of the Bisquick box. So it's 2 cups of Bisquick, 2/3 cup of milk. What I like to do, because I use a bigger pot to feed my bigger family, I usually 1.5 the recipe. And you can use whatever type of milk. I have used 2% majority of my life, but I'm using whole milk right now. Mix it all together until it forms a dough, and then let it rest for like 10 minutes because it helps it get aerated. Don't know why, but I usually just cover it with a towel. And then while this dough is resting, that's when we want to make the stew part of it. So when you make the broth part, you can either use chicken stock, bone broth, or if you don't have any of these, you can use the better than bouillon stuff. What I like to use is the bone broth because it has more protein in it and I think it tastes better. If you have too little of the broth, you're not gonna have enough gravy. So you want to have the right amount. And the trick is you want to take a bigger spoon, baby spoon, adult spoon. You want to take the adult spoon and fill it at least halfway up from this. And I will show you. We're just going to put the whole thing in. Okay. So do you see how the line is like at the half mark of the spoon? So that should be enough. You want to boil this, okay? But make sure you boil it covered. Because if you don't, then all the liquid can boil out and you do not want that because you need all the liquid. And if you want to add even more flavor to it, you can add like a spoonful of the bouillon, better than bouillon. I actually am going to do right now because I like it extra flavorful. You can add salt to the batter if you want. My chicken dumplings aren't like super fancy. You could add like carrots or peas or whatever to the stew, but we just keep mine simple. I'm telling you, this is the easiest dinner you can do ever. I have only 20 minutes and all I have is Bisquick and like a rotisserie chicken. You're good to go. But doing the chicken and dumplings this way with the Bisquick, you'll get fluffy balls of heaven. So good. I loved this so much when I was a kid. I would ask my stepmom to make it every single time I would visit them. I used to eat so much of it I would get sick, but it's so worth it. It's so good. The stew is boiling. So now you want to reduce the heat. I reduced it down to like a 2. So you want it kind of bubbling. And then you take your dumplings and you want to put it like big balls, okay? And then dump it into the stew. Do you see how it's bubbling a little bit? So it's set to like a medium low heat. So when it's bubbling like that, set the timer, okay, for 10 minutes. And then when that's done cooking for 10 minutes, we'll cover it and we'll cook it on low for another 10 minutes. So after 10 minutes, you can see that the dumplings start to grow and get fluffy. And then you cover it on low for 10 minutes. This is the crucial part. And when it comes out, they'll be amazing and fluffy balls of heaven. The timer went off. Now, see the big fluffy balls of heaven? This is what the inside of a dumpling is supposed to look like. Yummy, bready, big. That is a dumpling. Now let's put this together on a plate and wow everyone. Make them love you. Oh yeah. Look at the gravy. This is why you want to have that much liquid in it. Oh yeah, this is what makes it good. That's a dumpling.
Mommy, that's mine.
Yes, okay. Then what you want to do, salt and pepper it, add some peas to it, whatever you want, but it's so freaking good. I'll put the recipe in the description, and then you can always flavor it with how you normally flavor your chicken and dumplings. This is just how my family made it. We just love the salt and pepper and the chicken. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time.